Alright, so what is up, everybody? It is your boy Sniper Jones and welcome back to another video. I'm excited. As you guys can see in the studio, we have a sneaker I've been waiting on for a long time. Finally, okay, Nike Snkrs app is releasing all of the sneakers that they had kidnapped, okay, strangled and upheld at whatever holding facility they had them in. Now, this shoe, I was very excited to get my hands on because I honestly think that it's one of the most underrated shoes of the year. Reason being, it's been so many shoes that's been coming out like the last few months. To y'all credit, you know, that don't agree with me with this, like on the end of the video, to y'all credit, don't get me wrong, it's been some bangers, bro. I think 2021 has been a great year already, like for sneaker releases. We've been getting a lot of dunks, Jordan 1s, even collabs, like the, you know, the trophy rooms that, I know a lot of people don't want to talk about. But it has been a great year so far, and I'm telling y'all, if the rest of the year continues to be like this, it will be a year to remember when it comes to releases, because I'm telling y'all already. So what's in this box right here is a shoe that a lot of people aren't talking about as much as I would like to, but at the end of the day, I guess since I have a platform, I'll be the first one to say, hey, if you don't have these, go grab them. They're not reselling for that much, and I think you'll love them. Actually, I think you like them a lot. Let's get into it. I ain't even gonna waste no time. The problem is this box is like already kind of open. I don't know if people be trying to steal my box, bro, because every time I get a package, my box is always open. I don't know what it is, bro, but I ain't gonna waste no time. I'm gonna just bring this out, and I'm pretty sure y'all, wrong way. I'm pretty sure y'all already seen me do a video with this shoe, but it wasn't my personal pair, okay? The last time I did a video with this shoe, it was my girlfriend's pair because she actually went to Wish ATL, which is a store here in Atlanta, and personally picked up her pair, but I finally got mine. Now, if anybody has recently bought anything from Nike Snkrs app, I'm hearing that the shipping has been way more smoother, but y'all remember when the crazy weather conditions was going on? There was like snowstorming in Houston, it was snowing really bad in Memphis, and a lot of shoes that, we were all waiting on was being held up at, the Memphis location. And that, I guess that had a lot to do with my shoe being canceled. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna bring that up. My Air Jordan 1 Neutral 85. But still, here we go, man. I also did a dope reel. If y'all don't follow me on Instagram, make sure you follow me, bro. The reels. I'll be uploading reels all the time over there with new sneakers I get that's fire. I know a lot of y'all love them. But finally, okay, I get my pair of the Air Force One Love Letter. Okay, this is a smooth playoff of the Strange Love Nike SB. So for all my people who, if you want to call support, man, Strange Love is fine with me. I don't really mind it. Actually, when I did a video with y'all asked me to do the on foot, so I'm definitely gonna do the on foot for y'all today. But like I said, man, I'm just happy and excited to finally have these in my possession. These are a size 12, and I briefly already talked about pretty much what I loved about it most, but I'll go over it again. It's something about like this nubuck on the upper, very smooth, and then you get like the red Nike swoosh on the side. Of course, you get the hearts cut out on the toe box. That's usually just like the little dots on the toe box, so I like the details. You also get the hearts right there on the bottom of the Nike swoosh is royal. Just a pretty solid shoe. You get the outer sole that's pink. Now, this is my like pro and cons with this, right? A lot of people were angry that these came late, but the reason why they was angry wasn't because like they wanted to wear them. Well, actually, you know what? It was. People were upset because they were like, yo, bro, this shoe is, coming late. By the time I get it, it's not even gonna be Valentine's Day anymore. Even though this is technically a Valentine's Day shoe, you can obviously tell by the hearts, and it's almost March. I'm not angry because at the end of the day, in my opinion, I was gonna wear these no matter the time or season. This was not a shoe I only planned to wear on Valentine's Day and put in the back of the closet. I'm not the biggest fan of Air Force Ones. Let's get that out the way. Like, I respect Air Force Ones for the culture and what they bring. I do have I got like 5 pair of Air Force Ones in the collection, so I'm not sleeping. But I would say I'm very selective on the ones that I do pick up. Honestly, realistically, let's be honest, I can honestly say a lot of the Air Force Ones I do pick up are more on the hype side, I ain't gonna lie. Even though I do have some Air Force Ones that's not hyped at all, but the ones I'm aiming for, like I was gunning for these. Like when I saw the photos of these and I saw like the layout, I was even calling people saying if I can get these early. Like I really wanted these. So I can admit, I like the hype ones a little bit more, but still all, man, I feel like this is a solid pair. Solid pair, love the colorway, love the idea behind it. And almost forgot, how can I forget the most important part about the shoe? Like I said, the idea of it or the name of it is the love letter. So what I love most about it is right here on the tongue. You can open this up like a love letter and you get like a Valentine's Day heart and a swoosh through it on the top. That's fire. I think it's the same on this one too, or just say something else. Let me see. Yep, it says true love since 1982. So I'm guessing that's the beginning of the Air Force One or the beginning of Nike. I don't know, because the Jordans was made in 85, so I think Nike was, yeah, I think the Air Force One came out 82. But yeah, all in all, this shoe is fire. Nobody's talking about it. Like I said, I'm not chastising nobody for not talking about it because there's like hundreds of other shoes out. But I still think that this shoe is fire. And I believe it's one of those shoes that are going to stand like the test of time. When I be watching, like, Fat Joe is one of them. Fat Joe be having these sneaker collection videos, and he might bring out a pair of Air Force One, like the original PlayStations that came out way back, and they still hold the test of time. I believe if whoever got these, if y'all keep these in good condition, y'all keep them looking right, 10 years, 20 years from now, you pull these out and they still will be showstoppers. I don't think this is something that, you know, will go away super fast. So I definitely am happy that I was able to get my hands on these because I think they fire. Now, briefly, what I'm gonna do is throw these on foot to finally give y'all that on foot we talked about. I know they come in red laces and white laces. I'm gonna just keep the white laces because I believe it looks a lot more clean. With like the pink right there on the lavender, I believe if they were red laces, it would just be a little bit too loud for me. I don't really like the loud shoes like that. So I will see y'all in a second. I'm about to throw these on. Peace. Alright, you guys, that concludes the video for today, man. Really digging these. Make sure you tell me in the comments if you're rocking with these or if you're not. Like I said, I think the retail, let me see what the resale is going for. I know they're not going for a lot. And if y'all are second guessing these or if you want to grab them, I say definitely go for them. Like, it's worth it. It's worth it. I know it's like a women's shoe, but it's not a women's shoe to the point where men can't wear it, okay? Just because it's pink, don't mean we can't wear it. So I'm going to look up the Love Letter Air Force Ones real quick. And at my size, at the moment, right now as we speak, they going for $180. And they retail for like $120, right? Let me see what they retail for. I don't even have a retail price on here. But yeah, I believe they retail for like $130, maybe. Yeah, like $130 if I'm not mistaken, like $130. And like I said, size 12, they're going for $180. And the smaller prices, they're going for a little bit more, like size 8, $220, size 9, $190. I mean, y'all be able to look at it yourself. But yeah, it's not too much of a difference. It's like a $50, it's $50 over the retail price, which is not crazy. And like I said, it's not a dollar amount that'll stop you from going to grab it if you want to get it. But I do believe over time, like I said, these will probably shoot up because I think they fire. Regardless, I'm here to hear y'all opinions, y'all thoughts. Let me know how y'all feel. Finally, got my Air Force One Nike Love Letter. Shout out to everybody coming through watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you already haven't. And I will see y'all in the next one. It is your boy, Snapper Jones. You know I cannot leave without saying everybody want to be famous, but who really put in that work, though? Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.